Welcome back to Apex Survival Gear. Today I'm going to show you how to make a rooftop sprinkler for wildfire prevention. You'll need one brass sprinkler, 4 3/4 PVC T-couplers, 4 3/4 inch PVC caps, 2 3/4 by 1/2 inch PVC threaded hose couplers, 1/2 inch and 3/4 inch PVC pipe, 1 1/2 inch PVC T-coupler with thread, hose cap, hose, PVC cement, female hose coupler, and caulking. You'll also need thread seal tape, a PVC saw, and 2 C-clamps if you don't already have it. Step 1, cut your PVC to size. My 1/2 inch water pipes are going to be about 13 inches long, and the 3/4 inch stabilizing pipes that are going to be weighted, I'm doing these about 1 foot long each. Step 2, cap off your 3/4 inch PVC pipe. This will be weighted, so you have to fill it with sand or something to make it heavy. And then you're going to fill the plug here with some PVC glue, caulking, or something else. Step 3. Get your 3/4 inch T-couplers, put plenty of PVC glue in there, and attach your weighted 3/4 inch pipe to it. Just like that. Step 4. Get your 1/2 inch T-bar that's threaded with your brass sprinkler head taped and attach it. And then just hand tighten for now. Then we'll take the other 1/2 inch pieces and attach it into the T-bar. Step 5. Now that we have this part of the sprinkler assembled, we're going to get the 3/4 inch T-bar and we're going to put 2 on each side, like so. Step 6, we put our 1/2 inch threaded end pieces on the 1/2 inch pipe, like so. Now, the unit is assembled with both threaded end pieces, the weighted legs, and the middle piece all assembled. Now, we need to get ready to get on the roof. When you get on the roof, you get the 2 C-clamps, put them on either side of the sprinkler, and stuff the 3/4 inch T-bars full of glue to mold and form fit to the pitch of your roof. Oh yeah, that's moving the water. And that's the rooftop sprinkler. This one turned out really well. Mine needs some extra thread tape on the ends. Other than that, it's perfect. And this one's going to be semi-permanently attached to my roof once I figure out how I get the hose aesthetically up there and make it look nice. If you've got any questions, let me know in the comment section below.